Hello, welcome to Statistics Bio7. I'm Dr. Mohan. Now we are the discuss topic how to make a line chart with the bar graph in the Excel software. This is a combination graph for the line chart with the bar graph. Okay, this is a data set. We take the 10 different samples in the water. Okay, now for the take the two different variables. The first one variable for the pH and this is a standard deviation for the pH value. The next one variable for the temperature. This is standard for the standard deviation the temperature value. Okay, now how to make a line chart with the bar graph in the Excel software. Okay, go to the new sheet. The data already entered in the new sheet, so now created for the line chart with the bar graph in the Excel software. Okay, now the select for the two variables. The first one for the pH, then use the control key, press long and then select for the temperature. Okay, next go to the insert menu and select for the bar chart. Okay, this is a bar chart for the bar graph. Now the created in the common graph for the line chart. Okay, they select the temperature value and right click, change to series of the chart type. Okay, the temperature change to the line chart, line with marks. Then click the OK button. Okay, now the created in the line chart with the bar graph in the common graph the Excel software. Okay, then unclick for the grand line and the axis and the click for unclick for the chart title. Okay, now the customized in the graph for the Excel software. Okay, they select the pH bar, then right click, then format data series click. Okay, open the new tab for the format data series, then go to the fill and line options, choose for the fill the color change to the select for the red color. Okay, next the border selected for the black color, border with 1.25 border, then gap with increased in the bar width. Okay, then select bar the line and transparency increased. Okay, next select for the line chart, change to the color, fill in the options, the line color change to the green, then choose for the marker options, fill the color green and the border also the change to the green. Okay, then the marker options, select the marker options, select for the bolding, change to the style for the marker. Okay, select to the square shape, increase to 678. And now width for line 2.5 feet. Okay, now added to the standard deviation in the combined graph for the bar graph with the line chart. Okay, the first is selected for the bar graph. Okay, choose the element options, select for the error bar options, choose click the arrow and select for the standard deviations. Okay, now the select for the standard deviation. Okay, the format text is changed to the vertical error bar in the both side direction and end of style the fill the cap options. Okay, now the change for the customs option, click the specific value and the select the cell, then pH is standard deviation, track and track to the cell. Okay, then negative error value, selected the same data, then click the OK button. Okay, Then go to the fill and line options. Then change to the line color for the black and width 1.25. Okay, the label added to the label. Select the label and arrangement. Select for the arrangement options. Okay, the label position for the inside base. Okay, they change the data color for the black color. Then next and click the bold. Okay, the next select for the line chart. Add to the error bar standard deviation. Okay, the select the standard deviation bar the line chart and the temperature. The select for the custom specific value and select for the standard deviation value for the temperature. The negative also value change select to the temperature. Then click the OK button. Then go to the fill and line options. Change to the color in black with 1.25 and also the change the green color. Okay. Then select for the XHS. Go to the fill and line color options. Select the black color with 1.5. Okay, then YX is selected. Same for the line color is black 1.5. Then create the border of the graph. Then select the black color, the width 1.5. Okay, then select the whole the graph. Change to the font type, time Roman and font size for the 12. And font color is a black. Then select the bold. Add it to the value for the line chart. Right click. Add it to the label. Okay, the value unclick for the bold. Okay, this is a how to make a line chart with the bar graph in the Excel software. Okay, this is a combined graph in the Excel software. If you like this video, please click the subscription button and support to me join to our channel membership. If you want practice this is template file, the template file upload for our Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link mentioned to the video description box. Okay, thank you for watching this video.